Welcome to a world of exceptional design, ergonomics and functionality. Introducing the T6 desk, the S3 chair and the C6 container from Moll, all designed to match the colours in your home office. The T6 uses an electric motor to lift the desk from 56 centimeters all the way up to 118 centimeters, meaning that anyone who has space constraints can use this as a coffee table, a dinner table, a workspace, or a standing desk. Built into the rear of the desk is a space where you'll find enough power sockets for all your lights, computers, smartphones, and other electrical accessories. The design values on display in the T6 are common to the whole Moll range. There's the same attention to detail, the same beautiful beveled edging and rounded corners, and the same solid German engineering. The desk also has that same remarkably tactile but also very durable Softtouch work surface. Where it differs from other models in the range is the way that it comes in various different color combinations, which you can use to customize your desk so that it blends in perfectly with your home office color scheme. The surface, the legs, and the feet all come in both black and white, and the drawers come in oak, in walnut, black, white, soft pink, and beige. There are also corner inserts and drawer dividers which come in both aluminium, white, or black, and you can mix or match everything to create that unique look. Moving on, the S3 chair combines a classic molded beechwood design with a height-adjustable seat and a 3D rocker mechanism which flexes both laterally as well as back and forth for extra support and comfort. Lastly, the C6 storage container, except it's so much more than that. It has 3 drawers which can also be color coordinated, but more ingeniously with its optional padded top, the filing cabinet becomes an occasional seat or a footstool, perfect for when you want to show someone something you've been working on or want to put your feet up. The T6 desk, the S3 chair, and the C6 container from Moll, redefining the art of the home office.